Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on preventing your Mac from sleeping. This will work whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or any other Apple computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo button at the top left of the screen and then opening System Preferences. From System Preferences, open Energy Saver. In the Energy Saver options, enable the first option, Prevent Computer from Sleeping Automatically when the display is off, and then disable the checkbox for Put Hard Disks to Sleep when possible. These two settings will effectively prevent your Mac from sleeping. You can also prevent the display from ever being switched off here, but it isn't necessary to do this to prevent it from sleeping if we already set the other options. Note that never letting your display switch off can shorten the lifespan of your display. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.